Integrating Excel to Smartsheet is a powerful way to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. To get started, you need to have an active Smartsheet account and Microsoft Excel installed on your computer. First, open your Smartsheet account and navigate to the sheet you want to integrate with Excel. Click on the File menu and select Import or Export. Then choose the Excel option. You can either import data from Excel to Smartsheet or export data from Smartsheet to Excel. To import data from Excel, select the file you want to import and choose the sheet that contains the data. Smartsheet will automatically map the columns from your Excel file to the corresponding columns in your Smartsheet. You can also manually map the columns if needed. To export data from Smartsheet to Excel, select the sheet you want to export and choose the Excel option. You can choose to export the entire sheet or a specific range of cells. Smartsheet will automatically create an Excel file with the data from your sheet. It is essential to note that when integrating Excel to Smartsheet, data types and formatting may not be preserved. Therefore, it is crucial to review your data after import or export to ensure it is accurate and formatted correctly. Best practices for integrating Excel to Smartsheet include regularly updating your data to ensure it is current and accurate, using automation tools to streamline your workflow, and setting up alerts and notifications to stay informed of changes to your data. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Excel to Smartsheet and enhance your productivity and workflow. This integration allows you to leverage the strengths of both tools, using Excel for complex calculations and Smartsheet for project management and collaboration.